Hey everyone, my name is Quincy Davis, and if you're new, welcome to my channel where I break down and demonstrate various jazz techniques, approaches, and concepts that can be applied to pretty much any genre or style you're most interested in. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider getting on board the Q train and subscribing to my channel because I will continue to put out videos that I know will be helpful to you. So this lesson is the result of a poll that I put out a couple weeks ago asking you if you'd be interested in me doing a lesson on arranging, specifically arranging at the drums for drummers. And the result was an astounding and resounding yes. So I listened to you, and here's the lesson giving you 3 simple ways of arranging any song at the drums. So this is a really simple way of making a song sound very different and kind of giving it a fresh approach and sound without you doing anything really except for changing the tempo. Okay, too many times I hear songs played the same tempo every time. So let's take a standard that I know you probably know, Autumn Leaves, right? Usually it's played around this tempo, medium tempo. Well, what if we play it a little slower? Those of you who know this channel and know me know I like to sing, so I'll get more into that in a little bit. But so I'm gonna sing Autumn Leaves, but I'm gonna sing it at a different tempo. So normally it's do 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 dee, do 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 dee, right? Do 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 da. That's usually the tempo it's played. What if you play it slower? 1, 2, 3, 4, a 1. Boo-doo, boom, boom. Boo-doo, doo, boo-doo, doo, da. Very different vibe, right? Boo-doo, boo, right? So it gives a very different, more laid back feeling. But we can also change the tempo and make it faster. What if we do that with this song? Same song, different vibe. Do do do. 1. So 1, 2. Do 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 da. Do do da. Do da da. So as you can hear, now we got 3 different approaches, 3 different vibes. Okay, so that's a very simple thing that you can do instantly. That's going to make your whatever you play sound fresh and new. And people are going to say, hey, what is that song? Oh, that's Autumn Leaves. I've never heard it played like that. And that's the effect you want. Okay, so this is another really simple and effective way of changing the vibe of a song. Change the style it's played in. Okay, so again, we're going to take Autumn Leaves and we're going to go through some different styles and see how they feel, see how they make the song feel. Okay, so here's Autumn Leaves, and we'll give it a little bossa nova feel. Let's go to Brazil for a second. 1, 2, a 1, 2, do 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 do. Do do do. I'm phrasing. Watch that. Do 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 do. Right. So that's very different. Do 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 do. What if I go to the like an Afro-Cuban feel on the bridge? poinciana feel. You see, so I went through what, 3 or 4 different styles, maybe 3, that completely changed the feeling of the song, right? And I didn't even change the tempo. Okay, what if I change the tempo? If I go faster, 1, 2, Afro-Cuban. Now, what if I go to a samba? What if it goes for a funk? Now go swing. Now I know these styles kind of sound maybe a little forced and manufactured, and maybe not natural right now because I'm doing it for you. I would never go through all those different styles on a gig. But the point is that it gives you a lot of ideas. There's so many possibilities that you should never feel afraid to tap into, especially if you're comfortable in all these different styles. In fact, that's going to be another video. Are you comfortable in these styles? Can you go from one style to another? How many styles are you comfortable playing? So that's going to be a different video. Notice there's no piano around. There's no harmony instrument. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't know the harmony. You shouldn't learn the harmony, because you should. And in fact, I encourage everybody watching this video, if you're a drummer, even if you're not a drummer, if you're not a piano player, learn piano. Learn how to play piano. Learn basic harmony, because it will open up a whole nother world of composition that has been very, very helpful for me. So, and to every great composer. If you can't play piano, then it's going to limit you. But it's pretty cool that you can do all this without knowing the piano. Okay, so this is not something that you can just do really quickly. It's going to require practice. Some people it's going to require more practice than others, and that's fine. And some meters are going to require more practice. But I'm going to go through and demonstrate various meters, and you'll see how it gives a very different sound and feel and feeling to the same song that we've come to know and love for so long. So here's Autumn Leaves, and I'm going to start it in, let's put it in 3/4. What would that sound like? A 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. Do 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 do. Oh oh oh. Do 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 do. See what I'm doing? Do do. I'm phrasing the melody. Do 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 do. Because that's what horn players would do. Excuse my singing. Okay, so you could hear that I was phrasing the melody, not just singing it, and putting it in different meters forces you to think about the phrasing. That's what's so great about it. So I encourage you to do this even if you're not a drummer. Horn players, practice doing this in different meters. Piano players, vocalists, everyone should be doing this, okay? It's a great exercise. Okay, let's put it in a different meter. What's another meter? Let's put it in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Never done this, so I'm doing it just for you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if I can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do 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 It kind of works, right? Now, certain meters are going to work better than other meters, right? So that actually works pretty well. Generally, if the melody is not too notey, like a bebop head would be much harder to put in different meters. But a melody that has more long tones and there's more space, those work really good. So this is a very good song to do that with. And I advise you to start with a simple song like this rather than jumping into something hard like a monk tune or a bebop head. Okay, so let's do one more meter. What other meter do we got? Let's do it in 5, and we'll put it in 5, but we're gonna take the tempo slower. We're gonna make it a little slower, and we're gonna play it with a swing feel. Let's see what that feels like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Do 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 All right, so that is the lesson. And as you can hear, those are 3 very simple and effective ways of bringing such a new vibe, a new fresh vibe to any song, any of your favorite standards or even pop songs that you want. It can completely change the complexion of a song. So I encourage you to play around with some of your favorite songs and let me know. Leave some comments. Let me know if you've come up with any cool arrangements as a result of this, and maybe record yourself so that you don't forget it. All right, so that's the lesson, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.